In the heart of Japan, amidst the chaos of financial markets, one man rose from obscurity to become a legend. Known only by his pseudonym, BNF, he turned a modest sum into a fortune worth over 20 billion yen, roughly $200 million, in less than a decade. This is the story of Takashi Kotegawa, a self-taught day trader who defied the odds, mastered the markets, and inspired a generation. But who is BNF, and what secrets lie behind his extraordinary success? Takashi Kotegawa was born in 1978 in Ichikawa, a quiet city near Tokyo. A college student with no formal financial training, his life took a turn in the late 1990s. Japan was reeling from a prolonged economic slump, the lost decade. While most saw despair, Takashi saw opportunity. The 1990s were brutal for Japan. The Nikkei index had crashed from its 1989 peak, and bear markets dominated. It was an unlikely time for a trading prodigy to emerge. Inspired by a TV documentary about Victor Niederhofer, Takashi became obsessed with the stock market. Working odd jobs, convenience store shifts, tutoring, he scraped together 1.6 million yen, about $13,000. With no mentor, no Wall Street pedigree, he taught himself the art of trading, studying charts and price movements late into the night. By 2001, Takashi, now known as BNF Online, entered the bear market with a unique strategy. While others panicked, he thrived as a contrarian. His method? Identify stocks that deviated 20-35% from their 25-day moving average, betting on their rebound. BNF didn't chase trends. He waited for the market to overreact, then struck. It was disciplined, almost surgical. His early trades paid off. Starting with small positions, BNF's account grew steadily. By 2002, he turned his 1.6 million yen into 100 million, nearly $1 million. But this was just the beginning. BNF traded from a modest bedroom, avoiding the glitz of Tokyo's financial district. His tools were simple: a computer, market data, and an iron will. He rarely traded daily, sometimes just a few times a month, focusing on high probability setups. BNF's legend was cemented on December 8, 2005. A trader at Mizuho Securities made a colossal error, offering 610,000 shares of JCOM holdings for 1 yen each, instead of 1 share for 610,000 yen. The market froze, except for BNF. Spotting the mistake, BNF pounced. He bought 7,100 shares at rock-bottom prices, risking half his account. When the market corrected, he sold, netting over 2 billion yen, around $20 million in a single day. That trade was pure genius. It wasn't luck. BNF understood market psychology better than anyone. Overnight, BNF became JCOM Man, a folk hero in Japan's trading forums. His fortune soared past 17 billion yen, $150 million by 2008. But fame didn't change him. He stayed reclusive, sharing insights online under his alias. From an unknown student to a trading icon, BNF remains a mystery. A legend written in the numbers of the market. His name may be just 3 letters, but in the world of trading, those letters mean everything. Then came 2008. The global financial crisis hit, and Japan's markets tanked again. Many traders lost everything. BNF saw opportunity. Using his bear market playbook, he bought into the Nikkei 225 index overnight, riding a rebound for another massive profit. He wasn't fazed by the crash. While we were panicking, he was calculating. By 2008, BNF's fortune hit 20 billion yen, cementing his status as a trading god. But he wasn't invincible. A foray into US markets exposed him to corruption he hadn't anticipated. Leading to losses, he swore off Wall Street, returning to Japan's volatile playground. Years have passed, but BNF remains elusive. Rumors swirl. Some say he has retired. Others believe he still trades in secrecy, hidden behind screens, still pulling millions from the market. Whatever the truth, his influence endures. His story continues to inspire. The market doesn't care about emotions. Just ride the waves.